Here are some amazing facts about sea urchin. Sea urchins are echinoderms, related to starfish and sand dollars. They have a hard, spiny exoskeleton called a test. The spines of sea urchins help protect them from predators. Sea urchins are found in oceans all over the world, from shallow waters to deep sea floors. There are around 950 species of sea urchins. They range in size from about 1 inch to 14 inches in diameter. The largest sea urchin species is the red sea urchin. Sea urchins have a unique feeding structure called Aristotle's lantern, used to scrape algae off rocks. They are primarily herbivores but can also be omnivorous. Sea urchins play a vital role in controlling algae growth in marine ecosystems. Their spines can be venomous in some species, like the flower urchin. Sea urchins move using 2 feet located in the grooves of their test. They have a water vascular system that helps in movement and feeding. The mouth of a sea urchin is located on the underside of its body. Sea urchins have a simple nervous system without a brain. They have light-sensitive cells, helping them detect changes in light. Sea urchins can regenerate their spines and tube feet if damaged. They are dioecious, with separate male and female individuals. Fertilization in sea urchins occurs externally in the water. Sea urchins release their eggs and sperm into the ocean during spawning events. Larval sea urchins are called pluteus and undergo metamorphosis to become adults. Some sea urchins are harvested for their roe, known as uni, a delicacy in sushi. The purple sea urchin is commonly used in scientific research. Sea urchins are used as bioindicators to assess the health of marine environments. They can live up to 30 years, depending on the species. Sea urchins have few natural predators, including sea otters, starfish, and certain fish. The spines of a sea urchin can move in response to touch or predators. Sea urchins have no respiratory system, gas exchange occurs through their tube feet. They are known for their radial symmetry. Sea urchins have been around for over 450 million years, surviving several mass extinctions. The black sea urchin can cause painful stings if stepped on. Sea urchins play a crucial role in coral reef health by keeping algae in check. The red sea urchin is one of the longest living animals, with some individuals over 100 years old. Some species, like the pencil urchin, have thick, blunt spines. Sea urchins can be found from intertidal zones to depths of up to 16,000 feet. Their spines are made of calcium carbonate. Sea urchins can burrow into rocks and corals using their spines and teeth. The sand dollar is a type of flattened sea urchin. Sea urchins are sometimes called hedgehogs of the sea. The crown-of-thorns starfish is a known predator of sea urchins. The gonads of sea urchins are the edible part known as roe. Sea urchins can be bioluminescent, emitting light in the dark. They are part of the phylum Echinodermata. Sea urchins can survive in a range of temperatures, from tropical to polar waters. The flower urchin is one of the most dangerous, with venomous pedicellariae. Sea urchins can influence the composition of marine ecosystems through their grazing habits. The fossil record of sea urchins dates back to the Ordovician period. Sea urchins can exhibit different colors, including purple, red, green, and black. The larval stage of sea urchins is planktonic, floating in the ocean before settling. Sea urchins can be solitary or found in large groups, known as aggregations. Some sea urchins have symbiotic relationships with small organisms like shrimp and crabs. The heart urchin has a heart-shaped test and is adapted to burrowing. Sea urchins contribute to the calcium cycle in marine ecosystems. They have no distinct head, and their body is encased in a rigid test. Sea urchins are important in the study of developmental biology. Their spines can vary in length, texture, and sharpness. The edible sea urchin, Paracentrodus lividus, is commonly harvested in the Mediterranean. Sea urchins have a simple digestive system with a mouth, esophagus, stomach, and intestines. They can sense gravity and maintain their orientation in the water. Some species, like the long-spined sea urchin, are key grazers in their habitats. Sea urchins are sometimes used in traditional medicine. The roe of sea urchins is high in protein and vitamins. Sea urchins can adapt to different levels of salinity. The green sea urchin is commonly found in the northern Atlantic Ocean. They can be affected by environmental changes, such as ocean acidification.